Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is my brand new 2013 Volkswagen R-Line, and it's a very nice one. I picked it up like 2 days ago, and it's like so far I love it. It's very clean. It's very kept good for the past 13 years. The previous owner was a Volkswagen technician for 25 years, and he's been taking care of it. He's kept it like a baby. And I'm gonna start like a series with this car where I post like what I do to the car. There's gonna be a bunch of driving videos. I'm gonna show how the car is and what I like about it and everything. But yep, this is my 2013 Volkswagen CC Rline. It's got 200k miles on the dash, clean title, and whatever flaws that come with these cars, the previous owner took care of everything. It has no leaks. It has nothing, not like any problem that you would think of. And before I bought this, I did my research on the car, and I took my friend who's also a mechanic. He scanned it, he checked it out, in and out, outside, under, everything, and he gave me the go to buy it. And I cannot say much. Like, this is a very nice car. It comes with full black interior. Interior is kind of dirty right now, but yep, this is the interior. Shit, let's open it. Where's my keys? Oh shit, sorry. Oh my god, where did I put my keys in? This is one thing about Volkswagen. Yep, here we go. So these are the back seats. Like, I cannot believe this car was out. Like, I cannot believe that this car is like 12 years old. Like, the way the previous owner kept it. The only thing that's like a little bit worn out is this right here, and that's the only thing. And there's like nothing else in the car that's worn out. And this is the back. Pretty nice. I'm gonna do a muffler and resonator delete so the car sounds better and everything. It's got tints on it. I basically like got this for a very good price too. So yeah, but in a couple days I'm gonna post another video driving it and showing you guys how the car is and how it drives and what features does it have. And maybe I'll teach you guys, if anybody doesn't know. Like, I'm the first one. This is my first time to buy one of these, but probably a lot of people already know about this car. And if the ones that don't know, then I will point out like some of the features and some of the stuff that it can do. Like, until today, I didn't even know that you can open the trunk like this. It's got a pretty huge trunk space, and the previous owner, instead of like a normal spare wheel, he put a full-size rim in it, so that's a plus. And I cannot believe that I have this car finally. But it's got the good lights. It does have some like fiber coat shading or something. I don't know what this is, but that's gonna get fixed up too. But other than that, like, I love this car. It's been like 2 days and I'm already in love with this car. I love the wheels. The color is the best. I love silver and never gets dirty. So that's one thing I love about it. It's also got frameless windows. And yep. Let's talk about some of the features. Next video I'll just drive it for you guys. So let me get my keys out. I've seen some of the CCs like in outer United States that, so yep. Let's push this in. Okay, let's turn this off. So it does have 12-way heating seats and they feel good. It's got the little clock over there. Interior is in mint condition. When I got it, it still had the new car smell and everything. It's got projector headlights. Like, that's one thing I just found out, that cars do have these things. And what is it called? When I started up the car, I saw that the headlights were moving. So I was like, wait a minute, what is that? So I asked the owner, I was like, what is this? And he was like, oh, they move. And then when I was driving it, like when I got it at night, and when I was driving it, and I would turn, it would turn on like another headlight towards the side. And that was pretty nice. It's got pretty nice control system over here. Everywhere speakers, and the sound system in this car is really nice. And all of this, the infotainment system is really nice. It's got traction control right there, electric handbrake. It's got the DSG transmission, and the steering wheel. This will be getting changed because I want a more like a GLI 2013 GLI type of steering wheel, or something newer type of steering wheel, or one of those like really aggressive steering wheels. So this steering wheel is gonna be here for some time, for a little bit while, but then it's gonna go. It's gotta go. But yep, this was it. And let me know what you guys think and what should I do. And if you guys know any hidden features, let me know too.